If you're here in this video, it's because you're looking for more information about the Joint Restore Gummies. Then stay with me, guys, because I'm here to tell you everything there is to know about these gummies and also share with you a really important alert. So I really recommend you guys to stay with me until the end. But it was advanced and I left the link for the official website just below in the description of my video in case you need it. But let's go to this video. So guys, the Joint Restore Gummies is a supplement that is 100% natural. That means it has no chemical composition in the formula, only natural and organic ingredients, alright? And it will just restore all of your joints, like the name says. So if you're in your 50s, 60s, 70s and you don't have that mobility anymore, the flexibility, you just have pain on your knees, in your back, in all of your joints, or you suffer with arthritis or any kind of problem with your joints and you don't know what to do anymore, because if you go to the doctor will prescribe you tons of pills to take that can be very harmful for you. But I have a solution for you, alright, an alternative that can make you healthier, which is the Joint Restore Gummies. So as it is 100% natural, guys, it's a blend of mineral, vitamins, nutrients, all of that will just improve your joints, so you won't have that pain anymore, alright? It will stop inflammation in your joints. It will give you more energy, more disposition, more flexibility, more mobility to play with your kids, grandkids, and all of that, alright? No more pains anymore, because this supplement will just rejuvenate your whole body, guys. So yes, it really works, but of course, to see all of these results, you must take it every single day, otherwise you won't see any results and you will feel very frustrated about it. The minimum treatment is out 3 months, but you can do the complete treatment of 6 months, and all you have to do is take 2 gummies a day. If that's it, you will have your daily treatment complete. Do it every single day, that you will start seeing the results in just a few weeks, all right? And as it has a blend of natural ingredients, you will ingest all of these ingredients, guys. You will also see that you will feel healthier with a boosted immune system, all of that in just one supplement, all right? And in addition to all of these benefits, they offer you a money back guarantee, so you can actually test it for a period of time. And if you don't see any results, all you have to do is go to the official website and ask for a refund, and they will give you 100% of your money back. So you have nothing to lose here with this supplement. But I have an alert to share with you, guys. The only place you can purchase the original supplement is on their official website. That means it has no way to buy it in drugstores or other websites, only on their official website. So remember that to help you out, I left the link just below the description of my video. And that is the only place you can purchase the original Joint Restore Gummies from, nowhere else. So please keep that information in mind, alright, that you won't lose your money. And this were the information I wanted to share with you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video until here. I hope I have answered all of your questions, and see you guys around.